Week 9, so fun. Week 9. Oh yeah, week 5. This is not week 5, it's week 9. Blooper reel. What's up, coding students? We're going to talk about week 9 today. We're going to work on tables. So I noticed some kids in class every week when I show the W3 schools link, they're like, "Where'd you find this, Mr. Bridgers?" I'm like, well, you know what? I'm going to show you. Let's say we're on the coding page. Let's go to classwork. All right. And of course, here's our video links to all the YouTube lessons I make. Man, week 9, I'm so curious. I'm going to click right here. Look at this week 9 PDF. Look at this sweet PDF. I'm clicking on it. My page is slow. It's okay. Look at this. Every week, this tells you, hey, of course, ignore that assignment. That's a typo. Students are going to use tables. And here's the W3 link. When I click on it, notice it takes me to the link. And if you want to learn a little more, this is kind of the MD and WebDocs link. MD and WebDocs, this is definitely for the professionals. The professionals look up all their information on table documents, just so you know. But usually W3 schools is enough for how we do. So let's make a table. I'm going to run you through the basic code of this. All right, so let's say we got a table here. Of course, they changed it up. Of course, they changed it up. Where did the stuff go? All right, guys, we are. All right, so let's draw. Where's the shapes at? Why do they change this stuff like right before? Okay, more doc toolbar. Let's just say whatever. We got a table, right? Man, I'm gonna misdraw those shapes. Those shapes are dope. So you guys know how this goes. You got a table. All right. And these are each your table headings. These are the top things, basically that tell what each column's about. This is your table row. All right, each of these are a row, right? Because remember, rows are horizontal. All right, man, we're having so much fun drawing and drawing and drawing and drawing. We're drawing. All right. So these are each of these. We got three. We got the table headings up here and the table rows down here. And of course, inside here, each one of these is a table cell, which weird enough is TD, not TC. You would think HTML is not always intuitive, right? It's not always intuitive. Blah, 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 blah. I mean, it's Sarah said. You guys get the point, right? I hope I don't have to keep doodling nails. All right, let's actually make a table, right? That's what we're here for. Let's make a table. I'm going to go to my super favorite, which you guys know is CodePen. All right, I need to make a new pin. I'm going to click on this pin right here, this arrow. And then let's see, from template, I'm going to open up one of my templates. I like this template. All right, look at my super sweet template. I'm going to minimize my JavaScript, minimize my cascading style sheets. You know what? I'm going to make a table based on the Justice League because I love comic books. What can I say? And that's going to be my heading. All right. There's my heading. There's my paragraph. And I'm going to make a table. Open tag, closing tag. So this is typically what I do. I make the opening tag and closing tag, then I hit enter, and that automatically sets things up. It makes it look crisp. Okay. So let's make my first row. Again, opening, closing. I go in the middle and I hit enter. Okay. Oh, there's been 15 changes that I save. I better save. I better say, oh, look at the puppy. Hello, puppy. Oh, this is a sweet puppy. Look at my sweet puppy. Well, it's not actually my puppy. It's my sister-in-law's puppy. We're watching you. Yes, we are, sweet Sadie. Oh, it's a good puppy. Are you scared because you heard a little rumble? Oh, it's okay, my sweet puppy. Mwah. It's okay. All right, so I've made my table row here, and this is my top. So I'm going to do a close. I'm going to do TH, open and close. I'm going to have one that's got superhero. This is a superhero row. And I'm going to make another TH. I'm going to say powers. I'll make one more row, or one more column, sorry, heading. Let's say top villain. I like that. Top villain. All right. Notice I've created the top headings for each three of these columns. That's my first row. Now let's make another row. Opening tag, closing tag. Hit enter. Let's save. Now we're going to show my cells here. I'm going to make opening tag, closing tag. Let's say the first one be Superman. All right. Opening tag, closing tag. Flight, invulnerable, flight, strong, invulnerable, etc. All right. And his top villain, opening tag, closing tag. I'm going to say Lex Luthor. I know there's a lot more out there, but Lex Luthor is the biggest Superman villain. We all know that. You know what? I'm just going to copy and paste this. And now I'm going to do Batman. Guys, we all know what Batman's biggest superpower is. Rich. Filthy rich. Really smart. Can fight. There we go. Now, Batman's main villain, some people think Ra's al Ghul, you know, some people think there's others, right? Well, I'm sorry, Joker. It's always Joker for me. So notice, let's see, next up be Wonder Woman. Pretty much the same as Superman, you know, like Lights. I don't know if she's invulnerable. Let's make her different though. Let's say Goddess, Lasso of Truth, super strong. It's and she's got a lot of villains. I'm not too familiar, but I was gonna say Cheetah. All right. I'm gonna make another row. And my boy Green Lantern. He's got ring powered by will powered ring. Right? Because he's got that cool green ring, right? That makes constructs, right? Man, I'm really nerding up with you guys today. His top villain's gonna be my boy Sinestro. All right. Flash. Super speed. And he can do a lot of stuff with that super speed. I don't know if you guys ever watched this stuff. He can also turn back time, etc. If I could turn back time. His top villain's got to be Reverse Flash, no doubt. I would say Captain Boomerang, but he's not that big. Reverse Flash is the best. All right. You know what? I'm gonna give some love to Aquaman too. I'm gonna give some love to Aquaman. Why not? Right? He's here. Let's say Aquaman. Aquaman's strong. Strong. Talks to fish. King of Atlantis. Killing it. Aquaman's biggest villain. I mean, Ocean Master, kinda. We don't know Black Manta. Black Manta is the baller answer. And of course, we round this out with the mighty, mighty Cyborg. This is a half robotic. Can hack tech. Strong, etc. I don't know if Cyborg really has a villain. I don't know if Cyborg's really have a villain. But I'll just say if he was a Teen Titan, his biggest villain is Slade, right? All right. So let's save all this. I know there's been like a million. So here's our basic table. Okay. Everybody having fun with this? Does everybody understand the basic concept? You got opening and closing table tags, and then every row's got its own inside. The first row's got the table headers. Notice the table headers are bold and centered naturally. Good stuff, right? Okay. So this is your basic table. Let's make this a little pretty. I'm gonna go into my main table tag up here. Order equals 5. You can put like 1 through 5. Some people in class put like crazy number of stuff here. And you know what? I want to play with this. You know, instead of having the hero's name, I want to see their images. I want to see their images. Let's go to Superman. Let's go to images. Let's see here. Profile. Put pic. You know, let's go logo. That might be the best. That might be the best move. Let's see here. Where's a good Superman logo? I don't know. That's a little. Oh, that's not. Oh, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna right click on it. I'm gonna copy that image address. And let's go back to our table. Where's our table at? So many tabs open. I'm gonna delete this Superman. I'm gonna make me an image tag. Remember, image tags are self-closing. SRC equals. Put my alt in there. Let's see, width 100. There you go. Check it out. I got my Superman image inside there now, right? Isn't that sweet? Let's see how the Batman logo. Let's find a good Batman logo. Thanks. And let's get this ready. I'm gonna copy this whole image tag right here. Copy. And change this to Batman logo. Remember the alt explanation is what shows up if you can't see the image. Like if you can't see the image, you'll say Batman logo on there. So let's copy Oh, actually, that's kind of cool. I can't really copy that image, can I? That's not good. Let's find a good alternative. Oh, there we go. That's crisp. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking. Oh, actually, wait a minute. Wait. Oh, there we go. That's slick. Wait a minute. No, there's the iconic symbol I'm looking for. Copy that image address. There we go. There you go. Check it out. Now we got the Batman symbol here. Let's find the Wonder Woman logo. Well, that looks good. Oh, that looks crisp. All these look crisp. All these look crisp. I don't know where to go. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling this one. I'm kind of feeling this one. Let's copy this image address. Oh, wait. Whoops, I forgot to make the new one. Change this to Wonder Woman. Let's copy that again. Copy image address. Check it out. We got the Wonder Woman logo. It looks sweet. Ah, Green Lantern. I'm excited about this one. Love me some Green Lantern. Oh, so I need to. So if you guys haven't figured out yet, copying and pasting is a great shortcut instead of typing all the same code relentlessly, right? Where's a good classic iconic Green Lantern logo? Oh, that's sweet. Oh, I do. I'm a sucker for this logo. This logo looks so cool. Copy that image address. Guys, this video is going to be a little longer just because I really enjoy comic books that much that I'm going to give you this super mad design. Nice. Oh, it needs to be a little bigger on this one, I think. It looks. Oh, no, I'll do this. I don't like this. This logo does not fit with the rest of the design, I don't think. Oh, it's too small. But you know what? Oh, well. Let's see what 150 looks like. Oh, that messes thing. I don't know. It just messes up the flow. Let's find a. I think it's because all that background stuff. Yeah. That looks kind of. All these kind of look cool, but you know what? This one looks very well centered. Let's put that. You know what? It works. I'll take it. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, don't you love when you get the? Oh, that's good. That's good. All right, who's next? Who's next? Aquaman's next, right? Aquaman. No, Flash. I forget Flash. Let's change this to Flash. Usually I wouldn't take images like that, but you know, It works. Let's see, DC. Let's make sure it's DC Flash logo, you know. Because Flash is pretty common. It could be like a flash drive or something. Oh, I love this one. So pretty. So pretty. Or wait a minute, no. No. I wanted to at least I wanted to be kind of at least square like the others a little bit. Let's copy that image address. Let's see how this looks. Nice. All right, now let's do Aquaman logo. Oh, I don't like these. Where's the classic DC look? Yeah, that's not bad. That's iconic. I'll go with that. I'll go with that. You always gotta look for the right image, boys and girls. Let's go for this. Copy image address. Did I copy and paste yet? No, I didn't. Man. Oh well. Let's copy the image. This is a good way to remember how to do a skill, guys, by repetition. Repetition. Let's see if that Aquaman comes through. Yeah, we did. All right, one more. Cyborg. Cyborg. Again, I'm going to do DC Cyborg. Oh, wait. I want the logo. That's how I'm doing it. I like that one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, of course, I forgot to copy and paste the image code. There we go. Check it out. I kind of want to put a background page in this. Or you know what? I don't like how these are not spaced out well, right? Like how the word is right by the border. Let's look at some tricks that ChatGPT taught me. So let's see here. Let's do some padding. So check this out. I'm going to put this inside all my things here. Copy that. Let's see how this works. Check this out. Inside all my TD. Ugh. That was not a move on my part. What do we notice now? Notice how the words are spaced out and not right at the borders. We put padding inside. When you put padding inside a cell, it gives you space from the borders. So I'm going to keep doing that. You know what? I don't think I need the padding in the logo. I like without that in the logo. I like that. Let's just keep no padding in there. There we go. So putting the style like this, the padding. Let's go through that. Look like the Matrix. Oh man. All right. All right. So there we go. Now we put padding in and check it out. Everything's spaced out. All right. Okay. Any questions? Why am I asking questions? This is recording. Oh well. Let's put this on the web. All right. Let's go to GitHub. All right. We're going to GitHub. And let's log into our GitHub. Let's see if anybody remembers this process. All right, I'm going to sign in. Let's sign in. It remembers me. That's awesome. I'm going to make a new repository. I'm going to call this Justice League Table. I'm going to make it public. I'm going to create a new repository. All right. And I'm going to make a new file. Let's make a new file. And so we're going to make a new file. Does everybody remember what we're going to call the file? Always call it index.html. All right, so now I've got my index.html file made. I'm going to go to my pin. I'm going to name this pin. I'm going to call it JLA table. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to click into it. I'm going to hit Command or Control A, Command or Control C. Go back into my GitHub, Command or Control V. All right, and I'm going to commit changes again. All right, I made it. Now, let's go to our Netlify. Go into Netlify, and we're logging in. We're going into Netlify and logging in, and our computer's being slow. All right, we're going to add new sites, import an existing project. Let's do that. And we're going to deploy with GitHub. Let's deploy my project. We're going to scroll down. Where is my Justice League table? Where's my Justice League table? There it is. I click on my Justice League table. I scroll down. And I'm going to deploy Justice League table. And I wait. And you know what? I like the name Gorgeous Sorbet, kind of, but that's not what I want this to be. I'm going to click on Site Configuration. Scroll down to Change Site Name. We'll call this JLA-table. Save it. All right. And there's my new. So let's click on it. Site not found. Oh boy. It's not deployed yet. I got too impatient, kids. I got too impatient. Let's see if is it going to be deployed yet? Is it going to be deployed? I'm so impatient. Oh, site not found. Why is it not deployed? Deploy! Why is it being so slow? I'm gonna refresh it, see if it's ready to go. All right, there we go. I see it right there. I'm gonna click on it now. Look at that. My table's coming up. Here's my sweet Justice League table. Now remember, kids, the link up here, copy this link, and this is the one I want you to paste in your Google Classroom, okay? All right. You guys have a great one. See you next week.